Father's Day has a way of making you slow down and think, not just about being a father, but about what it really means to provide, protect, and build something that lasts. For a lot of us, being a dad isn't just about showing up for birthdays and ball games. It's about carrying the weight, making sacrifices, and doing whatever it takes to create opportunities for the people we love. And if we're being honest, sometimes that means putting our own dreams on hold while we make sure everyone else is taken care of. But here's the part nobody talks about enough. Being a great father doesn't mean giving up on yourself. In fact, one of the greatest gifts you can give your family is showing them what courage looks like, taking risks, chasing vision, and building something bigger than a paycheck. And yes, sometimes fatherhood is funny too. It's the dad jokes nobody asked for. Falling asleep in the recliner saying, "I'm just resting my eyes." Pretending you know how to fix everything with duct tape. And somehow becoming the household expert on thermostats and electric bills overnight. But behind all the laughs, there's something deeper. Responsibility, legacy, the desire to leave your family better than you found it. That's what entrepreneurship has always meant to me. It's never just been about money. It's about freedom. Freedom to choose your schedule, your income, your future, and most importantly, your presence. Because time is the one thing you can never earn back. And if you can build a business that creates long-term residual income while helping people save money on something they already use every single day, energy, that changes everything. So this Father's Day, celebrate the dads, the stepdads, the grandfathers, the mentors, and the men out there doing their best every single day. Laugh hard, love harder, and remember, your story isn't finished yet. Sometimes the greatest chapter of your life begins the moment you decide to stop surviving and start building. So, if you're ready to reinvent your future and build a 7-figure compounding residual income by helping customers save money on something they already use every day, energy, then this may be exactly what you've been looking for. But understand this isn't for people who are just curious, uncommitted, or simply looking to give it a try. This is for the ones who are serious about changing their life, changing their income, and taking full control of their future. If you're tired of settling for less and ready to step into something bigger, it's time to make your move. To learn more, visit truepowercareer.com, and we'll see you on the inside. And have a wonderful Father's Day.